She's up and running, guys. She's about 125 proof. Running nice and steady. See, I got my collection started now. I already threw off my heads. She's running about 125 proof right now. That's a proofing parrot, so you can see in real time what's coming out of your still. And it comes in very handy. Nice little still. I do have a full-size copper still, 10 gallon. I can't wait to fire that up. She's running really nice right now. It's apple cranberry brandy. Pretty tasty. Another shot of the proof. Looks like it's dropped a little bit. It's about 125 now. You guys have a good day.